Hello students, my name is Miss SENETRA Gonsalves, your English teacher, and today we are going to learn a new poem, poem number 17, Curiosity. Curiosity means a strong desire to know about something. Now whenever our parents tell us that they are going to give us a surprise, we are curious. Curious means excited and eager to know what is happening or what is the surprise. If teacher is going to take a test, we are curious to know what are the questions she is going to ask in the test. That means a strong desire to know about something is curiosity. So in this poem, there is a curious child who has many questions and he wants the answers to them. So first, let's begin with reading the poem. Poem number 17, Curiosity. Tell me everything. What makes it winter and then spring? Which are the children butterflies? Why do people keep winking their eyes? Where do birds sleep? Do bees like to sting? Tell me, please everything. Tell me, I want to know what makes leaves grow in the shape they grow. Why do goldfish keep chewing and rabbits wobble their noses? Just from habits? Where does the wind when it goes away go? Tell me, or don't even grown-ups know? So my dear students, in this poem, this child is very curious and he has so many questions and want to know everything. Now I am starting with the explanation, so please listen carefully. Curiosity. Tell me everything. What makes it winter and then spring? So the child in this poem is telling, tell me everything. He wants to know everything. So what is his first question? What makes it winter and then spring? Now these are two different seasons, winter and spring. Now the child is asking us, why is it that winter is first and the spring comes the next? Which are the children butterflies? The child is asking, which are the children butterflies? Now we all know the butterflies are born as caterpillars and then they turn themselves into a cocoon and then they come out as butterflies. But what the child is asking, where are the children butterflies? That means where are the small butterflies? How they come out of a cocoon directly? Why do people keep winking their eyes? Now the child is asking, why do people keep winking? Now do we wink? No, but we always keep blinking our eyes. We open and close eyes every now and then. The child is asking, why is it so? Why do we always keep winking our eyes? Where do birds sleep? The child is asking this question because he has never seen a bird sleeping in the day. He has always seen them flying in the sky. So he is asking, where do they sleep? Do bees like to sting? Now whenever anybody goes near the bees, they sting. Sting means what? Bite. So the child is asking, do the bees really like to sting? But actually the bees sting people so that they can protect themselves from any harm. Tell me, please everything. So according to the child's first question, what makes it winter and then spring? Now the child wants to know that why the spring comes after winter. So the reason is winter is a very cold season and after winter the main season is summer season. So between that time when winter season changes to summer season, the change in the weather changes to warm, hot. So in that period, the trees grows new leaves and there are new flowers on the trees. This season is called as spring season. Which are the young ones of the butterflies? Now there are no young ones of the butterflies because we all know butterflies come from the cocoon, and these cocoons are made by the caterpillars. Caterpillars turn into butterflies after going into the cocoon. Why do people keep winking their eyes? Now the child is asking why the people keep winking their eyes. Now when we blink our eyes, we keep the dust out of our eyes. This is for protecting our eyes from direct sunlight and also any dust particles that go in our eyes. So it is very important to blink. Where do birds sleep? The bird sleeps in their nest at the night. The child is asking this question because he has never seen a bird sleeping during the day, and during the night the birds go back to their nest. Do bees like to sting? Now bees sting anybody who goes near them, and they do this because they want to protect themselves from any kind of danger. They don't like to sting. Nobody likes to sting. So these were the answers to the questions asked by the child in the first paragraph. Now let's begin with the second paragraph. Tell me, I want to know, what makes leaves grow in the shapes they grow? Why do goldfish keep chewing and rabbit wobble their noses just from habits? Where does the wind, when it goes away, go? Tell me, or don't even grown-ups know? Now the next question here, the child is asking, what makes leaves grow in the shape they grow? Now every tree has leaves of different shapes. There are different shapes, different sizes, and there are many types of leaves all around the world. Why do goldfish keep chewing? Now if you see a goldfish, it is always moving its mouth in the water. What is the reason? The child wants to know. Now the real reason is not that they keep chewing, but they actually take water inside their mouth so that they can get oxygen. There is less oxygen in the water for the fish, so it keeps on opening its mouth and closing it so it can take the oxygen from the water. And rabbits wobble their noses. Wobble means what? Twitch or wiggle very fast or move very fast. Rabbits keep moving their noses because they keep smelling things around them in the order to search for food. And do they keep doing this just for habits? No, they have reasons to do this. Goldfish keep chewing so that they can take oxygen from the water, and rabbits wobble their noses to smell food or to search food around them. Where does the wind, when it goes away, go? Now the child is asking, when the wind blows, where does it go? Does it stop somewhere? Where does the wind goes? Now the wind never stops. It cannot be held at one place. No one can stop the wind. It keeps on flowing and it goes as the wind goes. Air cannot be stopped by anyone. At last the child is saying, tell me, or don't even the grown-ups know? Now the child is saying, tell me, give me the answers to all these questions, or don't even the grown-ups know? Grown-ups means elders, the people who are older than you. So students, that's it for today, and I hope you have understood the poem. Now there are some rhyming words in this poem. We are going to search these rhyming words and point them out. As I have already mentioned it before, that rhyming words means two words which sound similar. In first paragraph and second paragraph each there are two pairs of rhyming words. First one, keep, sleep. Second is sting and everything. In second paragraph, first one is no, grow, and second one is rabbits, habits. So that's it for today, students. Thank you.